Hi guys, happy Monday. Welcome to week 6 of remote learning. You have a little bit of work to do today. If you did not do great with the quiz, the Wiser worksheet, please make sure that you go back in and hand in that document. There were a couple of you guys who did not hand it in. You have to make sure that you click hand in. That is on Classroom. It is labeled here, the Graphing Review Quiz, Algebra 1 to 2. That's what you should be rehanding in if you have not already or if you don't like the grade that you have. Okay, that is number 1. Number 2, you started this IXL, and if you haven't, definitely start now. It says finish, meaning like up to a 72 and 80%. It says identify a function. I'm going to go ahead and click into it now so that you see what it looks like. Okay. Is this relation a function? Yes or no? Okay. If you notice, all of these points go to one of these points as long as they have exactly one point to one point. Yes, it is a function. Boom, done. All right. So that's the first one. There's also a domain and range IXL. This should be pretty easy. The domain and range just means the x's and the y's of the function. So this graph goes in the domain is where it goes in the x's to where it goes in the x's. So in this one, it goes from -3 to +3 because we're looking at the horizontal axis. And if they asked for the range, you would ask for just the -1 and up to, I'm sorry, +1 up to 5. Okay? So that's the domain and the range, your x's and your y's. Okay? If you get stuck, you can always click Learn with an Example. Okay, and the last one is which metric rate is an appropriate weight. This is like an old school skill that you guys should be cool with. You should be able to get 100% on this one without too much of a problem. Okay, so it looks like you have a lot of work today, but you really don't. It's stuff that you should have completed last week, should have started last week, and then just 2 easy, real quick skills. Okay? All right, I will see you guys on Tuesday.